6:30 in the morning and I got a long ride ahead of me. Here. I'm leaving Minot, Wisconsin, and I'm heading west towards Webb Lake and shooting down to Junkyard Bar in Hurdle and joining a ride that's going to go all the way back to Siren, and then I got to get back here tonight. I'm not getting myself fucking splashed. Wave your hands from side to side. I believe in Bazooka. Whoa! Cutting down to Webb Lake right now from Trail 41. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. It is my 37th birthday. Thank you. Anyways, we got a little bit of rain last night, yesterday. I guess I should have worn Timberlands. My bad. Watch for the groomer. Outlander 850 2025 silver bullet out in the Webb Lake, Danbury, Siren, Lewis, Frederick area today, and then heading back to Minot with the reflective eyeballs on it. That's me. Junkyard! Junkyard.
Right? Okay, they don't come with it right now. I'll be right back. Okay. Oh, yeah, I know. Just as moving as far as I know, but I didn't know how.
Sign my name somewhere here. Junkyard. If you've never been to the Junkyard in Hurdle, Wisconsin, check it out. I love this place. I've been here a few times. My name's out on that bus. I think by like the gas pump, but I tried finding it earlier. I don't have that much time to look for it. Looking across the street. That's a nice little bar.
Is it cute in there?
Never been there?
No. Well, you just tried right there.
I'm recording.
Put your belt on, Joe.
Oh.
Ooh. Belt on Joe.
Oh yeah. Tom's. Hey, I used to have one of them. Pheasant Inn. I forgot to get a video on here, so I'm going back over here. We all parked on that side of 35, so we wouldn't mess up traffic. Oh, they're all gone. Oh, okay. Woo! Sundown. Okay, that brings me back to my childhood right there. Yeah, a Wagoneer. I want to say like 79, 80 maybe. I was raised in a Ford family, but I could still pay respects and appreciate that. Props. Sundown. I've always liked this place. This place is really cool. Land. So technically Indian Creek was not part of the ride planned, but we added a bonus stop. MJ's Indian Creek, or I like I call it Walkabout Creek. I'm still gonna call it MJ's.
It's MJ's daughters.
I call this town Walkabout Creek because I'm surprised they have plumbing within 5 miles. This is like, this reminds me of like Crocodile Dundee.
It's barely any plumbing.
This is the backwoods right here. by the toe tag, I don't even know how to pronounce it. Totagatic River by the Namakagon Barrens Wildlife Area. Well, it's 8 o'clock at night, and I'm just getting back to Minong. I left at 7:30 this morning to head over to Hurdle. I've been all the way out west to Siren, Frederick, Lewis. I left here at 7:30 this morning, and it's 8 o'clock at night, and I'm just getting back. I have 170 miles on the day. In June 2020, an ex-girlfriend of mine, my next door neighbor, and I did 181 miles in one day, and that was my personal best. June 28th, my parents' 40th wedding anniversary this year, with this brand new machine. I hit 174 miles going on a Minong ride, and then I went up to Lake Nebegaman. Today, I just hit 171 miles. So, my third all-time best. Getting close.